Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be baking a delicious apple cinnamon oats cookies. These cookies are perfect combination of sweet and healthy. So let's get started. So here I'm using fresh apples, just cut that into pieces. In a blender, add these diced apples with some milk, sugar, cinnamon powder, some rolled oats, baking powder, baking soda, and blend everything really well. Into that add some more oats powder with some nuts and raisins and mix everything really well to make it into a cookie dough. Drop spoonfuls of cookie dough into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake it in the preheated oven for around 12 to 18 minutes or until the edges turn golden brown. After baking, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes, then transfer them onto a wire rack to cool completely. The aroma of apple and cinnamon will fill your kitchen. And there you have it, apple cinnamon oats cookies, a delightful treat that's perfect for any time of the day. They are soft, chewy, and bursting with flavors of apple and cinnamon. Enjoy! Thanks for joining us today in our channel. We hope you enjoy making and eating these apple cinnamon oats cookies as much as we do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends. Happy baking!